Understanding and respecting gender identity in English language. Hello learners. Welcome to this lesson on gender identity and how it influences the English language. In today's world, it's incredibly important to respect everyone's gender identity and expression in our day-to-day communication. And today, we'll learn how to do just that. Gender identity is a personal perception of oneself as male, female, a blend of both, or neither. It's important to remember that a person's gender identity might not match their biological or assigned sex. This diversity is to be acknowledged and respected in language, particularly in English where gender-neutral language is increasingly being used. The most fundamental aspect of respecting gender identity in language is through the correct usage of pronouns. Pronouns can be gender-specific like he or she, or gender-neutral like they. Some individuals prefer gender-neutral pronouns or different pronouns that align with their gender identity. Always ensure to use the pronouns people identify with. In English, we often use gender-neutral language to respect all gender identities. This means avoiding gendered terms when the gender is unknown, irrelevant, or non-binary. For example, instead of using policeman or policewoman, you can simply say police officer. If you're unsure about which pronoun to use, it's okay to politely ask, "What are your pronouns?" is a respectful way to ask this. Remember, it's far better to ask than to assume and potentially cause discomfort or offense. Understanding and respecting gender identity isn't just about using the right pronouns or terms. It's about acknowledging diversity and treating everyone with kindness and respect. Always correct yourself if you make a mistake, and strive to learn and grow in your understanding. In conclusion, respecting gender identity and expression in language is an essential part of modern communication. The language we use can have a significant impact on people around us, so let's aim to make our words inclusive and respectful. I hope this lesson has been helpful. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.